Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half. Open it and make a crease in the opposite direction. Open again and fold this point onto the center like this. Repeat this step with the 3 remaining sides. Flip and repeat the same step on this side. Repeat the step one last time on the other side. Flip your origami and fold the points toward the center once again. Since there are several layers of paper, be sure to reinforce your folds. Now, open this part and fold a rectangle like this. Repeat this step with the 3 remaining sides. Once you have this shape, flip the origami and fold all of the parts except for the one toward the center. Fold this part in the opposite direction to finish your paper chair.